Tamika and Mike in the back and Junior over here from Sister Saving You Cents, guys. We are at Walmart. Y'all, I haven't been shopping. Y'all know what's going on. Cindy's getting better. Don't know when she's gonna be back. But I was not feeling that great myself, but I'm doing better now, guys. So I'm at Walmart, y'all, to get my, I think it's Weekend Warrior bonus. I got $1 for 8 offers, guys. So I'm going in. I'm gonna see how much recording I can do, guys, because it is busy. If not, y'all will see me at the house, but I'm gonna do what I can do. All right, y'all, let's go in. So the first deal is on the Dole. I said Dole. It's Del Monte Bubble Fruit, guys. It's $2.34. We're gonna pick up 2, guys. So when you pick up 2, it's gonna be $4.68. We have $1 off of 2 in the coupons app. Then we get 2 50-cent rebates back from Ibotta. Final cost is $2.68 for 2, or just $1.34. Y'all, I'm gonna pick these up. I think the boys will enjoy them. We will see. I think I'm gonna get this peach strawberry lemonade. But this is a pretty good deal, guys, so I'm picking it up. So the next deal is on these Dixie plates. These are the 50 count. They are $2.52 in the store, guys. We're picking up 2. We're going to use $1.50 off of 2 printable from their website, guys. Then we're going to get $1.50 back off of 2 on Ibotta, making the final cost $2.04, or just $1.02 each. Y'all, this is fantastic deals for Dixie plates. Picking them up. Super hype. I've been looking for these things, and I think I was looking in the wrong space. So y'all already seen this deal everywhere, I'm sure. It's $4.48 for the Dixie cutting boards. We're gonna pick up 1. There's $1 Peely on it. Use that Peely. I'm gonna get $2.50 back from Ibotta because it's the first time I'm purchasing it. Makes it just 98 cents, guys. Fantastic deal. I'm picking this thing on up. So this deal got 18 different rebates, but I'm gonna take you the best that I think. So you're gonna pick up 1 Lysol wipes, 35 count for $2.34. 1 Lysol Neutral Air for $3.97. That's $6.34, guys. We have 50-cent and $1 coupons in the coupons app, guys. Check, see which one to attach. And then we have $1, 1,000 fetches here. Then we get 50 cent here from Ibotta, 50 cent here from Ibotta, and 50 cent here. Y'all, it's a whole lot. Anyway, check the list, guys. The final cost is it ends up making them $1.42 each. Not bad for the spray, guys, and I'm fine with paying that for wipes. Definitely check the list. I will let y'all know which coupons from the coupon apps are attaching, because I have 4 that are attaching, so I don't know which one I'll go through, but I'm gonna let y'all guys know. But either way, pretty good deal, guys. The next deal is on the Tastykake donuts. These are $2 in my store. I'm picking up the donuts, y'all. Look, we got a 40 cents Ibotta, and if you check your coupons app, there's a 50 cents back on Tastykake. Makes the final cost just $1.10, y'all. I'm picking this up because Mikey cannot eat these pecan swirls that everybody else been getting. So this is a pretty good deal, y'all. I'm picking it up. Still, it's on this Country Clock. I said Country Clock, y'all. Country Crock plant butter. We're gonna get the one with olive oil. It's $2.18. We have 75 cents back on Ibotta, guys. Makes it just $1.43, y'all. I need butter, so I'm gonna definitely pick this up. 6 counts, guys. They are $2.98 in the store. We get $1 back on Ibotta. Makes it just $1.98. This is a good thing to put in your school lunches and stuff, so we're picking this thing on up, y'all. The next deal I'm picking up is either one of these Craisins, guys. They're $2.12 in our store. We have $1.50 back on Ibotta. Makes the final cost just 62 cents, y'all. So I'm gonna pick it up. I need it for my rebate. Pretty good deal. Next deal, y'all already know, it's the Goldfish at my store. The cheddar is $1.78. We get $1.89 back from Ibotta. Makes it free plus 11-cent money maker, y'all. The boys love these, so y'all know. Thank you, Ibotta, for the freebie. That's going in the cart. So I have a 10-cent any wipe. So I found these Parents' Choice 50 cents counts for 98 cents. I'm going to pick them up, get 10 cents back from Ibotta. Makes them just 88 cents. You know, I'll take it, y'all. We use wipes. You know, we're a white family, so definitely picking it up. Deal is on these. All right, y'all. The next deal is on these Starbucks triple double shot. Y'all, I'm excited about this because I need coffee nowadays. These are the 15 ounce. They're $2.68. You're going to buy 2. That makes them $5.36. Y'all, you're looking for this Peely. I found it on it maybe a week or 2 ago, guys. Use that. Then submit to Ibotta for 2 50-cent Ibotta rebates. Make it the final cost $3.36 or $1.68 each, y'all. I'm excited to get any kind of deal on Starbucks. Your girl is definitely picking this up. I need the energy, y'all. All right, y'all. Next deal is on these big mechanical pencils. This is the extra smooth 10+2. I'm gonna pick these up. They're $2.64 each, guys. We're gonna buy 2. That's $5.28. Then we use the 2 off of 2 from SS81. We'll pay $3.28. Then we're gonna submit to Ibotta for $1 back on each one. Makes the final cost $1.28 or 64 cents each. Y'all, it's loud in here, but I'm definitely picking them up, guys. This is good for back to school. I'm picking up the extra gum. It is $1 in our store. I'm gonna pick up 2. We have $1 off of 2 in the coupons app, and then we're gonna get 50 cents back from Ibotta from each one. Makes them free, guys. So I'm definitely picking these things up, y'all. But you won't. Next deal is on this Irish Spring Ultimate Wake Up Men's Body Wash. It's 18 ounce, guys. It is $3.97. We have 2 Ibotta rebates attaching, one for 75 cents and one for $1. If you're not comfortable, don't do that deal. Then we have $1 on the coupons app. Makes the final cost just $1.22, guys. I'm picking it up. This is a decent deal for Irish Spring, so it's going in the cart. Next deal is on this Purell hand sanitizer. It's $2.97 in our store. We have a Fetch reward for 100% back, guys. So it makes it totally free. But I was going to pick up 2. We have a 2 off of 2 in the coupons app or in printable coupon. You can use that, and it makes it just 47 cents each. So it's up to you. You can get 1 for free or 2 for 97 cents. So good deal, y'all. So I am back home from Walmart. The only thing, there's a couple things I need to tell y'all about. One is that the Dixie coupon did not work, so it had to be manually entered. So if you're willing to take that risk, go ahead and do that. And she put it right through because it does match, but it did not work. It kept saying coupon invalid. But she did put it through for me, so that did work. And also, guys, when I submitted my receipt to Fetch, I've had to submit it 2 times. So you may have a problem with that. I'm not sure. So you might want to get I got the naturals. You might want to get the regular hand sanitizer for the deal. Other than that, everything worked out. Oh, also with the Lysol deal. So when you go into the coupons app for the Lysol, you're going to select $1 for the spray and 50 cents for the wipes, guys. So it does make it $1.42 each, which is not bad. It's 10 cents more than if you got both of the wipes, but I would take that for a spray. Just Cindy will be back as soon as she can, guys. Just continue to pray for her. She's doing better, but she's not back yet. But that's all. It's all good, guys. I am here for you as much as I can be. And all right, y'all, we will get with you as soon as we can get with you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate y'all, and y'all have a great day. Bye bye.